just kidding, start kidding with nature. Okay, feel enjoy, feel free. Don't take any stress, don't take any kind of stress about this language. No need, I can say no need. Hello friends, welcome again my new video. So friends, this is evening time and today I'm making my video in my garden. Okay, as you can see behind me, this is papaya tree and these papayas, little bit lots of papayas which is unripe papaya. Okay, so now today topic is which I consider how to get confidence in English language. Okay, so now without wasting time, let's jump to the topic because time is so precious for everyone. Okay, and so now friends, how to get confidence in English. First, we need to speak every day. Yes, you have heard me right. Please speak every day. It is not important you speak wrong, and it is not important you speak wrong or right. Okay, but it is important. Please speak every day loudly. Okay, not speak in your mind. You have to speak with your mouth. Okay, you have to speak, not speak only your mind, you have to speak in your mouth, because when you speak in your mouth, your mouth muscles is working. Okay, your mouth is pronouncing any word, which difficult word, but you have to pronounce, you have to speak in your mouth every day, even if you are alone. It is not important speak with partner, speak with anyone, in front of anyone. No, just speak in front of the mirror. Okay, with yourself, but please speak. And I can say speak with trees. Hello trees, what are you doing? You are enjoy this moment or not? You feel good or not? You have uh, you want to water or not? You want to anything or not? You want to water or not? Just kidding, start kidding with nature. Okay, feel enjoy, feel free. Don't take any stress, don't take any kind of stress about this language. No need, I can say no need. Please speak. When you have free time, you should speak language, you should speak this language. This is very beautiful and this is very good language. English is so beautiful language. Okay, please don't take this word any negative sentence. I'm not saying with you our mother tongue is not good. Feel good when you talk about anything, and you have to enjoy this journey. Okay, you know everything you have to do, you know everything you have to do to become fluent, to become fluent English speaker, because English journey, it's totally depend how much you have practiced or not. If you practice a lot, then you can speak a lot. Okay, so this is the universal truth. If you are practice every day, if you are practicing every day, then you will speak, you will become fluent English speaker one day. That's enough. So why you are taking stress? So friends, why you are taking any kind of stress in your mind? Please forget. Okay, if you think about our mistakes, I know you are learners, so you have this problem, you are facing this problem, but I can say please forget, because everyone, they goes this problem. Okay, which is making mistakes. So if you think about how I can speak English language without making mistakes, no, it is not possible. Okay, because English is our second language, so we have to make a lot of mistakes every day. I can say if you make mistake today, then you have to remove these mistakes, because you are learner. You need to learn every day new things, every day new sentence, new words. Okay, it's need, because you are learner. You don't want to stay yourself just one side, because you don't want to stay yourself at home, you know just only one place. you don't want. So you want to speak, so you have to forget everything. You have to forget everything, your mistakes you making or not. You making or not. Just think about what is your dream. Just think about, if you want to become fluent, if you want to speak better, if you want to communicate with person without any hesitation, without any fear, so you have to practice every day. Okay, and the second thing is, which I would like to share with you in that particular video, okay, which is, okay, imitation. Imitation helped me a lot to speak English language, to pronounce any word perfectly. Okay, you should watch any video, any random video, but in English language. Okay, just choose the video, click and listen properly. If you get any new sentence, new line, new word, then please pause this video and just imitate. Okay, what you are doing, pause this video, what you are doing, okay, with subtitle, because subtitle help me to read properly, help me to speak properly. Okay, so imitate this video which you listening, watching, and please read subtitle and start imitate. Okay, imitation, it will help you a lot and a lot to get proper pronunciation that word which you are learning, okay, from the video. So friends, please read every day loudly. One page you have to read every day loudly. Every day, just pick one story and start speaking, start reading in your mouth, not only your mind. Okay, no, you have to read with your mouth. Okay, because when you read any word, any sentence, any story, then your mouth muscle is working, your mouth muscles is working, and you get proper pronunciation, you get a lot of new things, grammatical mistakes where you are made or not, and you know a lot of new things. And when you get any new word, then you have to translate. Okay, you have to translate in Hindi language, because we are Hindi medium and we don't know about the word, so we need to translate that word. Okay, you know, सिंचाई को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, आपको तो नहीं पता होगा, तो आप कैसे बोलेंगे, आप कैसे पढ़ेंगे इसको, आप कैसे जानेंगे कि सिंचाई को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं। तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें उस चीज़ को गूगल ट्रांसलेट पे जाना है और उस वर्ड को हिंदी में टाइप करना है, हिंदी में बोलना है। ठीक है, फिर हम एक अच्छा सेंटेंस, एक नया सेंटेंस पा सकते हैं कि सिंचाई को क्या बोलते हैं, या किस किस तरीके से हम इसको बोल सकते हैं, या किन किन नामों से इनको बोला जाता है ना। तो ये सब चीज़ें जो हैं कि हमें गूगल ट्रांसलेट ही बताता है, हम कुछ और नहीं करते। जैसे कि हमें इंग्लिश में फ्लुएंट बन जाए, हम क्या करते हैं कि छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को ट्रांसलेट करते रहते हैं। अगर मुझे नहीं पता कि इस पेड़ को क्या कहेंगी, तो मैं क्या करूँगी कि अपना गूगल का कैमरा ओपन करती हूँ, ठीक है, वहाँ पे इसको सर्च करती हूँ, स्कैन करती हूँ कि ये क्या है। फिर मुझे इसका एक प्रॉपर मीनिंग, प्रॉपर डिफिनेशन, सब कुछ आसानी से मिल जाता है। तो अब हम वहाँ उसे, पहले आपको हिंदी में पढ़ना हो तो आप हिंदी में पढ़ लीजिए, नहीं तो आप उसे इंग्लिश में पढ़ सकते हैं। ठीक है, सब कुछ अवेलेबल है गूगल पर, बट हमें ज़रूरत है सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ उस चीज़ को खोजने की, वहाँ तक पहुँचने की। ओके, तो मैं इन सब चीज़ों को कहाँ से जानती हूँ, तो मैं हर चीज़ को गूगल करती हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई बताने वाला नहीं है। ठीक है, मेरे फैमिली में ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो इंग्लिश में फ्लुएंट है, जो इंग्लिश में मुझे बता सके। तो मैं उस चीज़ को गूगल पे जाती हूँ, उन्हें गूगल पे सर्च करती हूँ कि इसे इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे, किन किन नामों से इसे जाना जाता है। ठीक है, ये सारी चीज़ें हमें करनी है अगर हमें इंग्लिश बोलना है तो। और अगर आपको कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ इंग्लिश बोलना है तो उसका प्रॉपर प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी ध्यान रखना है कि यह क्या है, कैसे इसको बोला जाता है। ठीक है, नाउ दिस इज़ द only about one tree. So now this is my lecture, okay, and you have to remember only one thing. If you don't know any new word, any new sentence, then please go Google and search them, okay, which you want to know. And now friends, what I am talking, I think सिंचाई, okay, I am talking about सिंचाई. सिंचाई को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? सिंचाई को इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं इरिगेशन. इरिगेशन मीन्स सिंचाई. हम इसको एक और तरीके से बोल सकते हैं, ओके, वाटरिंग, बट दिस इज़ नॉट परफेक्ट. दिस इज़ परफेक्ट इरिगेशन. The farmer is irrigation our fields. Okay, so आप इन सब चीज़ों को आप गूगल करिए. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आती हैं, आप वहाँ से देखिए और उसको बार बार बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करिए. और जब आपकी प्रैक्टिस अच्छी हो जाएगी तब आप उस चीज़ को कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोल सकते हैं. ओके, दिस इज़ द मिथ विच आई यूज्ड to speak English language, to become confident in English language. Okay, my English is weak, but I'm trying. At least I'm trying. So you have to try. Okay. So now friends, this way you can get confidence